Oregano is native to the Mediterranean, Europe, and Asia. It's actually a fragrant herb which is used as spices in most of our cooking. The leaves and shoots of the oregano plant are normally air dried, and this is the results that you see in the video. These are the spices that we normally use in our cooking. So oregano is actually said to be a miracle plant in the sense that it's antibacterial, it's antifungal, it's antiseptic, and it's antiviral, as well as it's anti-inflammatory. So that is why it's called a miracle plant. So this is the reason why I use it as a hairspray to help solve any scalp issues that I may have. Every woman's dream is to have long, healthy, beautiful hair. However, this is not an easy task, but you can grow healthy, strong, shiny hair with regular use of oregano. Oregano can help stimulate hair growth because of the properties that it has. It stimulates the blood flow to the scalp, and then it will boost the hair growth. The known chemicals that actually help boost the hair growth are phenolic compounds, which are primarily called carvacirol and thymol. And these are the chemicals that once it gets into your scalp will stimulate the hair follicles to grow faster and healthier hair. These chemicals, after promoting healthy blood flow to the scalp, will also strengthen the hair and also prevent less breakage while increasing the volume of the hair. So people, if you haven't got oregano or you're not already cooking with oregano, I say rush to the store and get yourself some oregano and start incorporating it into your hair care regime. So people, oregano can be used as spices for your cooking, so it will heal you internally as well. The next ingredient that we're using for this extreme hair growth spray is fenugreek. And as you already know, I've talked a lot about fenugreek and its benefits in the previous video on the hibiscus and fenugreek hairspray. So you can check that and then watch what the benefits are for fenugreek. Fenugreek actually prevents hair loss because it's got a chemical called lecithin, which is a natural emollient that conditions and moisturizes our hair and scalp. And this can be a very deep conditioner because it conditions your hair from the roots to the tips. It also revives damaged hair and fights dandruff. You can check out more of its benefits in the previous videos in the description. It adds shine and it gives your hair a soft texture, and that is almost what we are looking for, as well as prevents premature graying of the hair. So that is why I'm using both of these powerful herbs in our hairspray. People, we want to take our hair and skin to the next level. So what we do now is we infuse both of them in lukewarm water. So you want to infuse it and then leave it overnight. So as you see there, I'm just pouring it into a glass bottle. Always remember to do all these hairsprays in glass bottles so that you do not get any reaction, because plastics will seep chemicals into what you want to do, but you want to reduce your toxic load. That's why we're doing everything from scratch and by ourselves organically. Okay, we want to reduce our toxic load from the chemicals. So we want to do things the right way. So that's why we're using glass. So there, I'm going to leave it now. You can see they're beginning to infuse already. So I'm going to leave it overnight, and we'll see what it looks like the next day. Wow, you can see the color has changed and it's giving me a golden color. So that is the properties of the fenugreek and the oregano. And oregano has a smell with it. It's got an interesting smell. It smells more like Dettol. Okay, so I'm now going to strain it because we just want the hairspray. We want it to be a spray. So I'm going to strain it. The strainer, I think I bought it a long time from Amazon, so you can check it to see if you find it. Some people were asking previously where I got the strainer from. So there, oh my goodness, this is a golden liquid that is going to be so beneficial for your hair. I mean, if you have any scalp problems like dandruff, like your hair is falling out, combine these two ingredients and you will be pleasantly surprised. Oregano just by itself is so powerful because even the smell alone, like I'm saying, it smells like Dettol, is that powerful. That's what was used in the olden days before they started using all these Dettols and stuff like that. It's a serious antiseptic, antibacterial. So if you know you're going through any form of hair problems, then please go and find yourself some oregano and start using it. Stay tuned in. Bye bye.